Moringa has a bold, bitter and spicy taste. It makes it difficult to add it to our daily routine. Some people could not tolerate the taste and discontinued taking it even though they are interested to get benefits from Moringa. In this video, we are trying to help by making some delicious drinks with Moringa that still provides same weight loss, beauty and health benefits. The first recipe is Moringa Vegan Moon Milk. To start with, we need unsweetened almond milk. You can also use any vegan milk like oats milk, coconut milk or soy milk. Take a mixer grinder like this. To this, add some dates. It is better to add seedless, soft dates like Medjool dates or Madina dates. Ground cardamom in a mortar and pestle system, and take this ground cardamom seeds. We need around half teaspoon of ground cardamom seeds. This provides nice flavor to our drink. Now add just a little of almond milk, maybe 3 tablespoons. Now grind this to form a nice concentrated dates almond syrup like this. Take it into a smoothie blender jar. To this, add half tablespoon of Moringa powder. Add half teaspoon of your favorite 0-calorie sweetener. I am adding Monkfruit powder here. To this, add 1 glass of almond milk. Give it a couple of spins. Take it into a glass. Enjoy the delicious vegan Moringa Moon Milk. You will love this from first sip. The second recipe is Moringa Refreshing Mocktail. Take a protein shaker bottle like this. To this, add half tablespoon of Moringa powder. Cut a quarter slice of lemon. Squeeze some lemon juice into the shaker bottle. Now you can add some honey, maple syrup or agave nectar. I am using maple syrup. This counteracts the bitterness of Moringa. Add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Take some fresh ginger and with the help of grater, grate the ginger. Add a quarter teaspoon of this grated ginger. Take some fresh mint leaves and toss in around 10 mint leaves. Mint leaves give a refreshing flavor to our mocktail. Now add a little water and close the lid. Just shake all the contents like you would do for a mocktail. This releases the freshness of mint leaves and mixes Moringa with lemon, maple syrup and ginger, giving it an exotic flavor. Open the lid and throw in some water. You can optionally add ice cubes. Take this refreshing mocktail into a glass and enjoy the drink. You can even carry this to gym and have it after a workout. The third one is Moringa Rich Smoothie. Take a whole banana. Optionally, you can use frozen bananas. Slice it into thick rounds like this. You can also use strawberries in the place of bananas. Throw the banana slices into a blender jar. We need a regular or unsweetened almond milk. You can also use soy or coconut milk. Add a glass of this almond milk. At this step, if you like, you can also add ice cubes to chill your smoothie. Now toss in a half tablespoon of Moringa powder. Add stevia, monk fruit, xylitol or any other 0-calorie sweetener. Blend everything until it forms a nice and creamy smoothie. Serve it into a glass and enjoy the Moringa Rich Smoothie. The last recipe is Moringa Healing Tea. Take a steel, ceramic or stone saucepan. I am using a stone cookware saucepan. To this, add 2 cups of fresh water and switch on the stove on low heat. Take a ginger, peel off the skin and grate it. Toss in 1 teaspoon of this grated ginger into the water. Ground the cardamom using a mortar and pestle system. Remove the skins. Take around half teaspoon of ground cardamom seeds. Add this to the water. Boil the water on low heat until it just starts to rolling boil. Now switch off the stove. Moringa might lose its properties if you add it to hot or boiling water. So it is better to wait until the contents cool down to lukewarm temperature. Take a glass or a cup. Add half tablespoon of Moringa powder. Now let us add half tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil acts like a carrier to the stomach and increases the nutrients absorption quickly. Take a quarter of lemon and squeeze it into this. Now using a whisk or a beater, mix all the contents once. Using a tea strainer, strain the tea contents into this while mixing the contents with a spoon. That's all, the delicious Moringa healing tea is ready. Enjoy these 4 delicious and refreshing ways of drinking Moringa at the same time getting all the benefits like weight loss, nourishment to skin and hair, improved vision, detoxification, preventing diabetes, anemia, kidney diseases, liver problems, heart diseases and cancers. Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.